Hey, I'm Max. I'm creative engineer at Zoo, and I will show you how do you log in at first time and how do you start using the app. If you would like to log in or sign up for the first time, you hit this button in the corner of the page and then use whatever service you're using or just an email to sign up. And after you sign in, you either download the local application for the desktop for any system, Linux or Apple or Windows. We support everything. And then you're really good to go for any kind of 3D modeling. If you would like to just test things out, you can try the web version. It works perfectly well, same as the desktop one. The only difference is it does not have local storage. The whole file, all the files you're working at, they are stored in the web browser cache. So if you would log in from different computer or use different web browser, you will not see your files. So make sure you're using the web only for testing things out and using the desktop version for work. And whenever you log in the first time, it's a good idea to adjust your settings. So you can go here and hit the user settings and then either adjust the colors of the application or default units or shortcuts. Everything you need is right here. And if you decide to start with the web version first, then you like it and you would like to actually work in the application for real, and you will need the desktop app. You can always download it either from the web app directly, or you go back to the website, and here you have download button on the very top of the page. You also have it in the corner of the page, and also you have the download button within the account page. So wherever you are, you can always download the local version, the desktop version, and yeah, that's a good start. So if you have any questions like what's the difference between the web application and desktop application, or if you have any wishes like please support the web storage, then please add the comments in this video, or you can also join our Discord channel and Twitter and ask all those questions, and we will surely react, and we'll be very happy to help you around. So thank you for watching. See you.